Keto breakfast rice. Preparation time, 10 minutes. Cooking time, 5 minutes. Servings, 1. Ingredients: 100 grams cauliflower, 50 grams bacon, chopped, 1 egg, beaten, 1 tablespoon chopped spring onions. Procedure: 1. Rice cauliflower in a food processor. 2. Heat a non-stick pan. Add bacon and stir until fat is rendered. 3. Add egg and stir until fully cooked. 4. Toss in riced cauliflower and spring onions for 1 to 2 minutes. 5. Season as needed with salt and pepper. Nutritional information. Energy 245 kilocalories. Protein 13 grams 19%. Fat 19 grams 67%. Carbohydrates 9 grams 14%. Fiber 3.5 grams. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks.